no day better than Saturday. It is a vloggy vlog. So I'm gonna show you my outfit. It is so cute right now. I think every woman needs a house dress, you know? Your hair all big and voluminous. Next time you get a silk press, get curls. I know you might be turned off by the fact that, oh no, I don't want two curls, I don't want them tight. Like, they're tight the first day. But then, like, this is like almost a week and a half. Actually, this is a week later. This is from Shein. I'll link it below. And it's just so nice. I have my Skims underneath to everything, you know? You can walk around the house in a big shirt or like a dress and it feels the same. And my little slippers from Amazon, like I feel so girly. I feel my best when I'm girly. I'm about to make some coffee because, like, I don't know, I just have a taste for it. So because I'm having a taste for it, I put caramel in the glass. But because I have a taste for it and not really a need for it, I'm gonna have a decaf. So all the Nespresso pods with the red on it are decaf. Hey, to have a great day, darling. Shake what your mama gave y'all. Remember when I was obsessed with pink? I used to like pink everything.
Since you in that sorority now.
Ooh, darling. Happy birthday! Okay, so I'm on the phone with Cameron.
Hi. Hello.
Talk to your internet cousins.
Screaming. Not cousins.
I'm looking at emails from my product development manager. And so she sent me a whole feedback email about them, and she took heckin' notes. Smaller font, move down. Oh, she said too much negative space. Ooh. She said my design needs to be, it's really cool. So currently working on some product mock-ups, and you cannot see just because they're not solidified yet, but you can see me. I'm gonna be in my robe for majority of the day until I go to the gym. I've literally redone this product over and over, and I think I'm over it. I literally cannot squirt plumping lip gloss. Who's on their product development team? Ya tenemos un nombre. Pero. Estoy mirando que labitosito. I'm looking for that one, but never have. This is so pretty. Are you kidding me? About to have my maintenance day and get my wax. My glasses are so cute with my outfit. Oh my god. But I'm running late, so give me 1 second. I know tax evasion when I see it. Yeah, I'll pay cash and I get it. Okay, so is everybody trying to get cash right now? Are y'all going to the ATM? I need to know. If you guys know anything about me, I always keep Vaseline on me. Like, I'm a freak. One thing about me, I'm gonna drop my lens cap. It is 11:38. I really want to get my nails done because these are crazy. I don't want to sit there though. Like, you ever just want to like not sit and get your nails done? Like, I just wish I could just, and my nails are done. Okay, beauty besties, so I went and got my Chick-fil-A. My Chick-fil-A. So I think people who get on accidents are probably just vloggers. I just like swerved to grab my camera. But I actually just got a 3-count strip meal, and then instead of fries I got a fruit cup, and for my beverage I got the peach, the white peach lemonade, but I got the diet lemonade, not the regular. Should I get some work done and then get my nails done, or should I just go get my nails done now But it's starting to rain. I haven't eaten anything, and I'm just like, I'm gonna decide. I might as well just keep the train going because I need my nails done. We'll see. So I decided to just nip it in the bud. I'm here at the nail salon now. I'm already outside, and I know when I get in that house, like, I'm not gonna want to come out, especially if it's raining. I said I'd rather just be out and it start raining and I get them done versus me at home with these horrible nails and then regret it. So I just ate my little meal in the garage, which is probably really dangerous, but like, I'm vigilant and I'm on the swivel. Nails cute. Okay, so I got my nails done, and literally the whole time I was so anxious in there nails done because I have like literally everything business and technology related in my car. I'm telling you this now because I'm about to get out and this is going to be in the future, but I was so nervous because I am going into my apartment and I have like in my trunk my computer, my iPad, and then my camera was in here under the seat, and I was supposed to just go home, drop it off, then go to my nail salon. But remember, I didn't want to stop because I knew how I get. So I literally was in there the whole time, like getting my nails done, so anxious because Atlanta is very ghetto. They be breaking in cars like on the regular. So I was like, Lord, please, Lord, please. I kept saying in my head over and over, please protect my car, please protect my car. And when I was walking back up to my car, I literally was like looking at all the windows, like, okay, do I have 4 windows? I'm about to go home and work a little bit. I might work out. I don't know if I will because, you know, I did get my little Brazilian. I don't know if you're supposed to work out the same day. Okay, I'm out home now, just looking at my nails. They're so cute. I tried to kind of go with the same color I had on my toes because I wasn't ready to get my toes done yet. I just wanted my hands done. So I kind of just went similar, but these are so cute and soft. I love them. So I booked myself a massage today because it's stressed and I need, okay, check in. Hello. Do not come inside. We'll send you a message when we're ready for you. Okay. So I have been just wanting to get out of the house and do this. So I just booked a massage and I just checked in and they were like, wait in your car. It is so cute. I like this. I will let you know how it goes. If I can film some stuff, I will. Oh my god. We're a mess. ¿Puedo hacer una taza? I'm gonna do cafecito de Camden. I do iced coffee because I'm normal. Oh, I love Bianco Doppio. Do you want me to take it from here or a different place?
That's all I have.
Oh, I didn't want it to be missing. I'll take it from back. I like this more than anything in the world. Oh, I can get my day started. Cam, these cups are cute. I need so cute, so cute, so cute. Oi, oi, oi. My hair brushed out. I need to get my hair done. I just put on some, you know, less yesterday clothes. You know me, the reduce, reuse, recycle. Now Cameron y yo vamos a comer. And so we're going to eat. Ay, qué pila. It's azul, azul. Oh, it's gris. And the camera looks blue. So yeah, we're about to go eat and then go to Walmart. And I'm probably gonna get the rest of the vlog on my phone because I don't really want to bring my camera out. So yeah, loves. We got some drinks. Got a cherry vodka with lime. It's like so good, only 200 calories. And of course, we always flake the mozzarella. Duh, are you dumb? So right now we have our lunch. I got a turkey burger, grilled chicken sandwich, and then a side salad instead of fries because skinny. and Cam got a Mexican bowl. So today with Cam was so fun. Our food was really good. We'll probably go back because it's one of those menus that have like a lot of stuff. And even though like I'm a super like bougie girl, I like the simple restaurants too, especially like when you're in chill stuff, like you don't have to do your makeup, get dressed up, you just go eat. That's my vibe. Yeah, I paid for our drinks and it was only like $16. Like if you go to Atlanta, it's gonna be $16 a drink. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, a little bit of maintenance, a little bit of rambling, a little bit of everything, and I'll see you in the next one.